Hello everyone, my name is Morris Yow. I'm a lawyer in practice for about 25 years. I'm also a notary public and a commissioner for oath. I'm qualified in both Singapore as well as Malaysia. I received my legal education in the UK. So UK is like my second home. I have a lot of wonderful memories of UK. I studied law at Liverpool University and I did my bar at Lincoln's Inn. I'm in the business of law. I'm passionate about justice. I believe that justice is something that should be accessible to everyone. Everybody must have a level playing field. And so far as my role is concerned, I would try and help as much as I could to level the playing field. I've been in practice for more than 25 years. I enjoy every moment of it. To me, it's the best job in the world. Really, over the course of 25 years, I've done many cases. I do court cases, I do litigation, almost every areas of law, including family law, probate, wealth management, corporate law. I also do notary public work as well as commissioner for oath work. If you want to read more, just visit my website at infinitylegal.com.sg.